So today we're going to make a quick and easy corned beef hash. And I want to start by saying the flavor of your corned beef hash is going to be dependent upon the type of corned beef you use and the spices you add. And we're using a canned corned beef. It's not too bad. Fresh corned beef would be better. Worcestershire sauce, some cooked Yukon Gold potatoes, some diced onions, diced red bell peppers, and some shredded carrots. I cooked mine on my Blackstone griddle on a patio, but use a big cast iron skillet if you don't have that. Lay down a little avocado or canola oil, maybe a little unsalted butter on medium-low heat. And then lay down your vegetables and let them start cooking for maybe a good 3 to 4 minutes or so. And you can start raising your heat a little bit from here. Season it with a little salt and pepper and give them a few more tosses, and then push the vegetables to one side where it's cooler on that side. Or if you have a skillet, you're going to have to remove them until you get to the next step. Drop down your cooked potatoes after adding a little bit more oil, and then let them cook, or actually brown up, because they're already cooked, for about 4 to 5 minutes. I used a little of my favorite seasoning, which is called Lumberjack from Blackstone. It's a breakfast blend. And then toss your potatoes again a few more times. Oops, man overboard. And then push the potatoes to the side with the vegetables. Get ready for your corned beef. Lay down a little bit more oil. And grab your corned beef and crumble it onto the griddle or your skillet. And start working with it a little bit. Kind of smash it down. Let it cook and start to brown for about 5 minutes or so. Add a little more oil if you need it. Now add some seasoning, and then add your Worcestershire. I get about maybe a teaspoon or two here. Really adds some nice flavor. I wouldn't add any extra salt to the corned beef. It's probably pretty salty already. Now start bringing over your vegetables and your cooked and browned potatoes and give them a few good tosses. Now's the time to let it sit for a little bit. Get a nice crust on the bottom. I like more pepper, so I'm adding it here. A good crust is going to be one of the keys to great corned beef hash. Now start flipping it over a couple of times. Do the same to the other side. And let it sit another 3-4 minutes on that side. I turn the heat off, and I put mine on a little sheet pan to bring it inside. Kept it warm in a little oven I have. Get ready to add some eggs.